Here's a mistake I see people make constantly. They search Surfshark promo code on Google, open like 10 different websites, try copying codes one by one, and end up frustrated when half of them don't work or only give partial discounts. You're wasting your time doing that. I'm going to save you 20 minutes right now. The link in my description automatically applies Surfshark's biggest current discount, plus activates those bonus free months. Both parts. One click, no code copying, no trial and error. Here's why the bonus months matter more than you think. Without them, you're just getting a standard discount. Okay, fine, but those extra months mean you're getting additional service that you're paying nothing for. That's literally free VPN coverage extending your subscription. And these bonus months aren't guaranteed forever. Surfshark changes how many they include based on their current promotion cycle. Some months, they're generous. Other months, they pull back. Right now, you're in a generous window. That won't stay forever. Think about it this way. You're already planning to buy a VPN. Whether you get those bonus months or not depends on whether you use the right link today or procrastinate and miss the window. Same decision, same purchase. Amazing deal. Different outcome based purely on timing. You will get the best. What you're getting from this amazing Surfshark coupon code deal: full device coverage, fast streaming, private browsing, ad blocking built in, and that safety net of a refund guarantee if you change your mind. Click my description or pinned comment right now. Get the biggest Surfshark promo code savings, plus lock in those bonus free months before the promotion rotates and you lose them. Don't overthink this. Get the best Surfshark coupon code.